Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. In AP, schools are reopened and students have started going to school, and so you are habituated to your routine life. I hope so. Not only schools, even colleges are also reopened. So enjoy your routine again, and please. And one more thing, along with enjoying your routine, try to watch my channel and learn mathematics also, so that you can learn the subject perfectly. I hope you will follow. And so, already we have discussed so many topics in IIT JEE, right? I hope everybody understood all the concepts and no one has any doubt. If anybody has any doubt, please mention about your doubt in the comment section so that I can explain in the next class. Clear? So, today let me introduce one more new topic, that is sequences and series. So, in our sequences and series, we have our first topic, that is arithmetic progression. So, what is an arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence whose terms increase or decrease by a fixed number. Okay? Means if we write some numbers like this, then the sequence of numbers will be said to be in arithmetic progression. When they are said to be in arithmetic progression, when they are increasing or decreasing by a certain number, right? For suppose you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? This is our set of natural numbers, right? I hope natural number set is also a sequence. Why? Because here also our every number is increasing by 1, right? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Means the common difference means between two numbers, if we take, see here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, right? And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, right? Difference between two numbers is same. Okay? Such type of numbers, sequence of numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression. Clear? So, this AP is a sequence, means nothing but AP is nothing but arithmetic progression. So, our arithmetic progression becomes a sequence when its terms increase or decrease by a fixed number. Clear? This fixed number is called what? Common difference. So, here D is equal to, understood? Small d. So, we represent the common difference by small d. So, here I have written some examples. So, let us see whether these are arithmetic progressions or not. Okay? See here 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. So, to 1, how much I should add to get 4? 3, right? So, see here 1 plus 3 is 4. Right? In the same way, 4 plus 3 is 7. In the same way, 7 plus 3 is 10. Right? And 10 plus 3 is 13. Right? Means the difference of two numbers. See here 4 minus 1 is what? 3. If you take A3 minus, third number minus second number, there also we are getting difference as 3. Right? So any two successive numbers you are taking, any two consecutive numbers you are taking, so that the difference is the same number. Such type of numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression, sequences. Clear? If you write the numbers like this together, then this becomes a sequence. Right? This sequence of numbers becomes an arithmetic progression. Clear? Now here you see 4 minus, see here 2 minus 4 is minus 2, means if I reduce 2 from 4, then I am getting 2. Right? If I reduce 2 from 2, I am getting 0. If I reduce minus 0, minus 2 from 0, then I am getting minus 2, right? If I reduce 2 from minus 2, then I am getting minus 4. Understood? So, here also, here my d, small d value in the first sequence is 3, right? And in the second sequence, my small d value is minus 2. And in the third sequence, see here also 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. So here in the third sequence my d value is 0, right? So by arithmetic progression may contain any type of common difference. Either it may be positive or it may be negative or it may be zero also. Clear? Is it clear to everybody now? I hope everybody understood what is arithmetic progression now. No one has any doubt? Yes? Okay. Now let us see how to write the general term of arithmetic progression. Okay? Means always you will not ask the next number in the arithmetic progression. See here. For suppose let us consider this example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Okay, this is our arithmetic progression example. Just example I am taking. In this example, he may ask the 15th term. Find the 15th term of this sequence. Okay, find the 15th term of this arithmetic progression. Can we find? Yes, we can find, but it takes more time, right? Means every time we have to add 3. See here, 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Like that we have to add. Clear? It takes more time. Again we have to count the number of terms here, right? That's why we have one general formula. How to use? How to find the general term of an arithmetic progression? So general term of AP. Yes. How to find the general term of AP? Means if we take A as the first term, if A is the first term, and small d is the common difference, then our general term is nothing but Tn. Okay, Tn is given by Tn is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times of the common difference. Clear? See here. For suppose, let us consider the same example 1 plus 4 plus 7, 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. Okay. This is my sequence of arithmetic progression. Right? So see here, every time for 1, see here first let us find out what is the first term here. A is nothing but first term is 1, right? D means term 2 minus term 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Even 7 minus 4 is also 3. Right? So D is 3. So every time I should add 3 to get the next number. See here 1 plus 3 is 4. Right? Again 4 plus 3 means again to this term I am adding to get 7. Right? Again to 7 I am adding 3 to get 10. Understood everybody? Like that. So for the first term we are not adding any common difference, right? From the second term onwards, for every consecutive term we are adding common difference, right? That's why if we want Tn, nth term, general term, then we have to write A plus n minus 1 D. This is our formula for finding general term of the arithmetic progression. Clear? I hope everybody understood clearly now. Okay. Next. So let us do some examples related to arithmetic progression. Okay. So I have already said no. How about finding whether a progression is arithmetic progression or not? I mean whether a sequence is arithmetic progression or not, and about how to find general term. So now let us do some 1 or 2 examples related to our arithmetic progression in our today's class. So example 1. First example, if 9 times the 9th term, okay, 9 times the 9th term of an AP. So here he is directly saying that this is an arithmetic progression, right? Is equal to 13 times, okay, 13 times the 13th term. Then the 22nd term is dash, and here options are also there. Your option A is 0, option B is 12, option C is 198, and our option D is 220. Okay, so let us solve this problem now. So 9 times the ninth term of an AP. So first 9 into T9 is equal to 13 times the 13th term, means 13 into T13, right? So that is equal to, I hope everybody understood, 9 times means 9, term 9 should be multiplied by 9, and that is equal to term 13 multiplied by 13. Okay, so 9 into, so what is the general formula? We have Tn. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So here keep the A as it is, A plus n minus 1, sorry, here we have to take 9, right? T 9 minus 1 into D is equal to 13 times of A plus 13 minus 1 into D. Okay, so this implies 9 into A plus 9 minus 1 is 8D is equal to 13 times of A plus 13 minus 1 is 12D. Now multiply. 9 into A is 9A plus 9 into 8 is 72D is equal to 13 into A is 13A plus 13 into 12 is 156D. Okay, so now get this 9A and 72 with that side. This implies, so 13A minus 9A is 4A plus 156 minus 72. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 15 minus 7 is 8. D is equal to 0. Right? No term will be left this side. So that is 0. So now if I take 4 common, 4 into A plus 21D is equal to 0. So A plus 21D is equal to 0. So what is A plus 21D? See here, is nothing but A plus 22 minus 1 into D, right? Means A plus n minus 1D, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Means our T22, right? So our T22 is equal to what? 0. Understood? So our 22nd term becomes 0. Clear? This is how we have to solve the first example. Next, one more example we'll see, and then we'll wind up our today's class. So, example 2. Next example. Find the number of terms in the sequence 4, 12, 20 and so on. The last term is given 108. Okay, and your options: option A 12 terms, option B 13 terms, option C 14 terms, option D 15 terms. Okay, so let us find out number of terms in this sequence. Yes, so anyhow we know that this is the nth term, right? First let us find out A value and D value from this given sequence, right? A is nothing but first term, so what is the first term here? 4, right? And D is nothing but term 2 minus term 1, so 12 minus 4, second number minus first number, 12 minus 4 is 8, right? And we want the number of term here 108, so 108 is equal to A plus, we know that we don't know the number of terms, so n minus 1 into D, right? So 108 is equal to A value is 4 plus n minus 1 into D value is 8, right? So if we take 8 for this side, then this becomes n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 108 minus 4 is 104, right? So n minus 1 is equal to 108 into 8 becomes by 8. Clear? So 8 table, 8 ones 8, again 8 ones 8, 8 3 is 24, means 13 times we are getting, right? So n minus 1 is equal to 13. So n is equal to 13, minus 1 becomes plus 1, so n is equal to 14. So if this is the 14th term, then how many terms will be there in the sequence? Same 14 terms will be there, right? So our answer is 14. Understood? So in the first example and also in the second example, I have used which formula? General term of AP. That's why learning formula about general term of AP is very, very important when you are learning about sequences and series, especially for arithmetic and geometric progressions. Clear? So this is my today's simple and general introduction about arithmetic progression and general term of arithmetic progression with one or two simple examples so that you can understand the concept clearly. So if you really like my videos, share my videos to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel so that they can't miss any video. Whatever I am explaining, they too can listen and they too can learn the subject. I hope you will follow, and if you really like my video, give it a thumbs up. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye.